Hello everyone. In this I'm going to discuss the sine cosine formula and their application. So first one, we have the sides of a triangle are proportional to the sine of the angle opposite to the form. So we know in any triangle, if this triangle is known ABC, the side opposite to angle A, that will be small a, side opposite to angle B, small b, this will be small c. So according to this rule, A divided by sine A is equals to B divided by sine B is equals to C divided by sine C. This is the general intention. So if I will just drop a perpendicular over there, if this perpendicular is AD, so from this triangle ADC, can we write that sine C is equals to AD divided by B, right? And what will be from this triangle? Sine B equals to will be AD divided by C. So from here my AD will be equals to B sine C, and from here my AD will be equals to C sine B, right? So if this, as this two are equal, so we can write B sine C is equals to C sine B. So we can write that B sine B divided by C sine C, this two are equal. So further, if we can proceed, we can also write this, right? So further also we can write, suppose in a triangle, what will be sine of B plus C? Sine of B plus C will be sine of 180 minus A, because A plus B plus C is equals to 180 in a triangle. Sine of 180 minus A is in second quadrant, which will be equals to sine A. So for sine, it will remain as constant. So what will be sine of C plus A? Clearly if you calculate, it will be sine B. But if it is for cos, so cos of A plus B is equals to cos of 180 minus C. Second quadrant, cos will be negative, so this will be minus cos C. Similarly for tan of A plus B, that will be minus tan C if I apply formula, right? So further, this is all we have in sine formula. Now if I proceed to cosine formula, the first cosine formula we have, three cosine formula we have, that is cos A is equals to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Just check the pattern. Similarly for cos B, it will be A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC, and cos C will be equals to A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. So if I will calculate from this triangle again, what will be cos C from here? Cos C will be DC divided by B, and cos C, if I write from there, cos C is equals to DC divided by B, and what will be cos B? Cos will be BD divided by C. So cos B will be BD divided by C, right? C is small. So now from here, if I just write it that AC square, so from this triangle AC square will be AD square plus DC square. So if I write this, that AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. If I write this, now AD square I can write, I'll just keep the AD square intact, plus CD square I can write from this triangle CD as BC minus BD, right? So it will be BC minus BD whole square. So it will be AD square plus BC square plus BD square minus 2 into BC into BD, right? So now what will be AD square plus BD square from this triangle? AD square plus BD square will be my AB square, right? So if I just put the value of AB square here, so it will be AB square plus BC square minus 2 into BC into BD. So if I just put the corresponding value, so AC is my B square, AB is my C square, BC is my and this one is my A square minus 2 into BD is my from here C cos B. So BD is C cos B, and this will be my A. So if I just take this 2AC cos B this side, so my cos B will be equals to A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. So using the other triangle also you can prove the other formulas, right? So further if you proceed from this two, if I'll add BD plus DC, BD plus DC will be equals to BC. And if I'll put the value, that will be equals to B cos C plus C cos B, and my BC is equals to A. This is the known as the projection formulas. We have three projection formula, and the projection formulas we have, that is A equals to B cos C plus C cos B, B equals to C cos A plus A cos C, and C equals to A cos B plus B cos A. So these three projection formula we have. So further if I proceed for the Napier's analogy, so how we have to prove the Napier's analogy? We have three Napier's analogy. So we have three analogy here. I'm just going to write it. So this is three Napier's analogy. I had already written there. So how to do this? Suppose you know that A divided by sin A is equals to B divided by sin B is equals to C divided by sin C. If I'll take this equals to K, so from the RHS if I start, B minus C divided by B plus C cot A by 2, this will be write as K into sin B minus sin C divided by K into sin B plus sin C into cot A divided by 2 sin B minus sin C. If I'll apply the formula, before that K will be cancelled out, so that will be 2 cos B plus C by 2 into sin B minus C by 2, and this one will be 2 sin B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C divided by 2. So further if I'll proceed over there, into cot A by 2 will be there. Now what will be cos of B plus, this 2 will be cancelled out, cos of B plus C by 2, this will be cos of 90 minus A by 2, that is sin A by 2, right? So this will be sin A by 2, similarly this will be cos A by 2, right? Just check, B plus C by 2, that will be equals to 180 minus A by 2, which is equals to 90 minus A by 2, so complementary angle formula. And this cot A by 2 we can write as cos A by 2 divided by sin A by 2 into this portion will give you the result, that is tan of B minus C by 2. Similar way you can prove the others, other two similar type proof it will be. Now one more thing, if it is area of the triangle, so area of the triangle we can write it as half BC into sin A also equals to half AB into sin C. This also you can write half CA into sin B. This is very easy, like I have started this is ABC, this is my A, this is my B, this is my C. If I drop a perpendicular over there, so AD divided by B, that is equals to my sin C, right? So AD equals to B sin C. Can you write this? So now what is be the area of the triangle? Half into BC into AD, that will be area. So half BC is my A into AD, AD is B sin C. So AB sin C. Similar way, if I'll drop the perpendicular on the other two sides, we'll get the other formula. So this formula we have. In my next videos, 1 or 2 videos I'll make. So there I'm going to do couple of sums, try to understand the apply this. Thank you.